This is how to undo tweets on Twitter. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Twitter account. Once you are logged into your Twitter account, now here you have to simply click on this tweet option. After that, here you have to type in the tweet that you want to do. Once I type in my tweet here, now I'm gonna click on the tweet option at the top right corner. After that, I'm gonna click on the view option. Now here I'm able to view my tweet. I'm gonna simply click on these three dots and then click on the delete option to delete this tweet. As you can see that Twitter doesn't allow to undo your tweets. However, you can permanently delete them by clicking on the delete option. Once you click on the delete option, now this tweet will be permanently deleted from your Twitter account. So that's how to undo tweets on Twitter.